Want to speak real Indonesian from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at indonesianpod101.com.
Hi everyone, I'm Blanca. Halo semua, saya Blanca. Welcome to the Indonesian Whiteboard Lessons. In this lesson, you'll learn top adjectives to describe people. Let's get started. Okay, let's look at the vocabulary. First, we have tinggi, tinggi, tall, pendek, pendek, short, kurus, kurus, skinny, gemuk, gemuk, fat, cantik, cantik, beautiful, tampan, tampan, handsome. As in English, cantik usually used for a girl or woman and tampan for a boy or man. Okay, next is lucu, lucu, cute. Lucu can also mean funny or amusing or something that looks unusual, weird, or peculiar. Gagah, gagah, sturdy. Muda, muda, young. Tua, tua, old. Berambut panjang, berambut panjang, long-haired. The last one, berambut pendek, berambut pendek, short-haired. Let's look at the dialogue. When I read, I want you to pay attention to the adjective. Find what the adjective is and see how it's used in the dialogue. Itu saudara laki-laki saya. Itu saudara laki-laki saya. That's my brother. Dia kurus sekali. Dia kurus sekali. He's very skinny. Do you know which one is the adjective? Kurus, kurus, skinny. Now, let's look at some speaking examples. Dia lucu sekali. Dia lucu sekali. He's so cute. Which one is the adjective? Lucu, lucu, cute. Dia tua sekali. Dia tua sekali. She's very old. Which one is the adjective? Tua, tua, old. Now, let's look at the sentence pattern. This pattern will be the structure that all of our dialogues will follow. Dia plus adjective. Dia plus adjective. He or she is adjective. He or she is adjective. In the Indonesian language, there is no specific word for he or she as there is in English. Instead, the pronoun dia is used for both he and she. Similarly, the possessive pronoun his or her is translated as dia punya in Indonesian. This lack of gender-specific pronouns reflects the more neutral approach to gender in Indonesian language compared to languages like English, which distinguishes between masculine and feminine pronouns. Do you remember how to say tall? Tinggi, tinggi. And how to say short? Pendek, pendek. Do you remember how to say skinny? Kurus, kurus. Do you remember how to say he's skinny? Dia kurus. Dia kurus. And how to say fat? Gemuk, gemuk. Do you remember how to say beautiful? Cantik, cantik. And how to say handsome? Tampan, tampan. Do you remember how to say cute? Lucu, lucu. Do you remember how to say he's very cute? Dia lucu sekali. Dia lucu sekali. Do you remember how to say sturdy? Gagah, gagah. And how to say young? Muda, muda. Do you remember how to say old? Tua, tua. And how to say long-haired? Berambut panjang, berambut panjang. Do you remember how to say short-haired? Berambut pendek, berambut pendek. In this lesson, you learn top adjectives to describe people in Indonesian. Thanks for watching. I'm Blanca, and I will see you on IndonesianPod101.com. Sampai jumpa lagi!
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.